Hello, sir.
Hi.
Yes, sir. I just wanted to ask how AU. What are the key features of the AU and for senior citizens and MSME sectors and other individuals?
So if I talk about AU, so specifically, we are known in the market that we provide good interest rates on deposits, savings per se also. So saving we go up to 7.25, that to a monthly interest payout.
Correct.
And if I talk about the fixed deposit size, we are one of the banks who are providing higher interest as compared to
8.5%.
other banks. And if I talk about MSME segment, then MSME segment obviously we are quite aggressive. We are doing startup funding also, and we have some products, particularly for obviously new startups, where obviously they can't maintain big balances as compared to other banks. So we provide some leniency on that part, so that any of the new startup want to bank with us. So we provide all sort of features and
All kind of a banking solution.
banking solutions which
To the particular person. I mean, if you talk
exactly.
about like MSC, we are giving working capital LC, and we are lending into that particular segment where they can raise the fund from the bank, and they this will give them the ease of the operation that they can do very easily.
Okay, sir. How the AU Bank is different from other banks?
So I will like if you talk about like a digital prospect. So we have a video banking, which is working like 24 into 7. There is no need to just give a request on a banking hours per se. So you can place a request on your behalf, and our video banking guy will assist you 24 into 7. So
So apart from like if I talk about video banker, first of a kind, we have 24/7 video banker, where apart from your cash withdrawal or a cash deposit transaction, you can do n number
any
of
transaction.
transactions, any transaction
And number of
throughout the
them.
day,
Okay, okay.
throughout the day, 24/7, including Saturday, Sunday.
Okay, okay.
So that's a one convenience that obviously senior citizen, people who are salaried, they don't get time apart from the weekend. So obviously other banks are closed. Secondly, if I talk about we try to innovate, we want to keep banking different from other banks.
Other
So
banks.
we don't have a concept of a deposit slip. If you come to
Okay.
our bank, you want to deposit some cash or a check, we give you a printed slip. You don't have to write a slip. You don't have to do anything
Okay,
about
okay,
that.
okay.
So we do
That's
that differently. Thirdly, if I talk about we give interest payout. That is
Monthly
on a
interest.
monthly basis.
Monthly basis. So this is like a EMI basis. Every month you will receive a particular rate of interest.
On
It
your
will
savings
depend on
account.
your amount which you are lying in your account
So
balances.
likewise, we believe that obviously people who take loans, they pay
Correct.
monthly EMI. So
Yeah.
they should also earn monthly interest out of it.
okay, okay. So, the last question ki, what are the future objectives or goal of this bank?
So future objective, if I talk about for the bank, is that innovate banking all differently as compared to what was there in the past. Since like if I talk about a trend of 40, 50 years also, we try to do everything differently. So
Correct.
we are open to obviously suggestions also. So we take suggestions from the customers as well, like what sort of a different requirement you have any service which is well other banks are not providing, which we can provide. So we try to innovate ourselves,
Innovate the new things.
keep on innovating because we are
Correct.
just a new bank. We started 7 years back.
For
So
the ease of the operation for the peoples, along with the employee orientation for the bank, just give a the good thing to the customers so that they feel easy, in terms of banking, and take
Okay,
a
so my
regular
last
feedback.
question would be ki,
sure.
how do you make sure the customer is happy?
So see, we
On a
we
regular interval basis, we will, we always ensure that we get a proper feedback from the customer.
Proper
So,
feedback, yeah.
so this is the one thing. Along with this thing, our relationship manager is the one of the, he's a key person who will be, interacting on a monthly or daily basis. Whenever customer he and she is required, so he will always be in touch with the customer. So
so
these
our
are
mantra is basically like
yeah.
obviously right service at the right time.
Mm-hmm.
You can attract those customers. Otherwise, obviously, there are 50 banks in India.
Right.
So obviously, competition is huge. So we
Yes.
provide one of the best of class services. We try to give that. We have dedicated team for it. We have a set of team of relationship managers, dedicated service
Correct.
managers. So best in class, we try to provide it.
Mm-hmm. That's fine.
Thank you.
Thank you.